Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to reveal the ultimate morning skincare routine that will give you that gorgeous, glowing skin you've always wanted. So, grab your favorite skincare products and let's dive into these 7 simple steps. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my skincare videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Cleanse. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser that is suitable for your skin type to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities that have accumulated on your skin overnight. Gently massage the cleanser onto your face and neck for about 30 seconds, and then rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2. Tone. Toning is the second step in our morning skincare routine. Use a toner that contains ingredients such as glycolic acid or salicylic acid to exfoliate your skin and remove any dead skin cells that may be clogging your pores. Apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently swipe it over your face and neck. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Step 3. Serum. The third step is to apply a serum. A serum is a lightweight, fast-absorbing liquid that delivers active ingredients to your skin. Choose a serum that targets your specific skin concerns, such as hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. Apply a few drops of serum to your fingertips and gently massage it into your face and neck. Step 4. Eye cream. The fourth step is to apply an eye cream. The skin around your eyes is delicate and requires special care. Choose an eye cream that contains ingredients such as caffeine or vitamin C to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Apply a small amount of eye cream to your ring finger and gently tap it around your eye area. Step 5. Moisturize. The fifth step is to moisturize. Moisturizer helps to hydrate your skin and lock in all the previous steps' benefits. Choose a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type, such as a lightweight gel for oily skin or a richer cream for dry skin. Apply the moisturizer to your face and neck, and don't forget to apply it to your chest and hands too. Step 6. Sunscreen. The sixth step is to apply sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential to protect your skin from the harmful effects of the sun's UV rays. Choose a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 and apply it generously to your face, neck, chest, and hands. Reapply every 2 hours if you are spending time outdoors. Step 7. Makeup. The final step is optional but essential for many people, and that is makeup. Choose makeup products that are non-comedogenic, which means they won't clog your pores. Apply your makeup as usual, and you're ready to start your day. Conclusion. That's it for today's video on the ultimate morning skincare routine. By following these 7 easy steps, you can achieve glowing, healthy-looking skin. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified when we upload new content. Thanks for watching.